Have you ever wondered what DevOps is and why everyone in tech keeps talking about it? It's not just a buzzword. DevOps is transforming the way companies build, deploy, and maintain software. But what does it really mean? Stay with me, and let's break it down. Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of DevOps. You've probably heard this term floating around. But what exactly is DevOps, and why does it matter? Let's jump right in. So, what is DevOps? At its core, DevOps is a combination of two words: development and operations. It's a set of practices, tools, and cultural philosophies that aim to bridge the gap between software development and IT operations. In simpler terms, it's about getting your software from a developer's laptop to the user's device faster and more reliably. The main goal of DevOps is to improve collaboration between developers and operations teams. Traditionally, these two teams work separately, leading to slower deployments and more mistakes. DevOps brings these teams together to streamline the process, allowing them to work as one unit. Imagine a restaurant where the chefs and servers never communicate. Orders would be delayed, mistakes would pile up, and customers would get frustrated. DevOps is like having a great head chef who makes sure everyone in the kitchen and front of house is in sync, delivering excellent service efficiently. Now, let's break down the key principles of DevOps into 3 simple points. First, automation. Think of DevOps as setting up an assembly line for your software. Just like in a factory, where machines handle repetitive tasks, DevOps automates the boring, repetitive parts of software development like testing and deployment. This speeds up the process and reduces human error. Second, continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI or CD. Imagine you're a writer, and instead of waiting until the end to edit your entire book, you make small changes as you go. That's what CI or CD does for software. Developers constantly integrate their changes and deploy small updates, making the entire system more stable and easier to manage. Third, collaboration and communication. The heart of DevOps is teamwork. By breaking down the silos between development and operations teams, DevOps promotes a culture of collaboration. It's like being on a winning sports team. Everyone works together, shares feedback, and tackles challenges as one unit. Let's say you're using a popular app like Netflix. Netflix deploys hundreds of updates every single day without you even noticing. That's DevOps in action. The development and operations teams work together to make sure updates are seamless and that your streaming experience is smooth and uninterrupted. Pretty cool, right? To sum it up, DevOps is all about bridging the gap between development and operations teams, automating processes, and continuously improving software. It's helping companies deliver products faster, more efficiently, and with fewer errors. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments if you'd like more tech topics like this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.